Queries in LibreOffice Base. A query is the most important feature provided by LibreOffice Base, which can give you information that you might not be able to find by looking at the table directly. Using a query, you can search or compile data from one or more tables in a database by giving specific search conditions so that you are able to view the exact data that you want. You can then review, add, change, or delete data from your database. Base allows you to create or build a query and save it in the database so that you can run it multiple times. Types of queries. The different types of queries in LibreOffice Base are: Select query. It retrieves data from one or more tables. It displays the record in a data sheet to group data and to calculate sum, count, average, etc. Parameter query. It is a type of select query which prompts you for the input before it runs. The query then uses the input as the criteria that controls the result. Action query. It creates a new table or alters your data by adding, deleting, updating, and appending data from it. Cross-tab query. It is a query that uses row headings and column headings so that you can see your data in terms of two categories at once. Setting up relationship. A relationship is a link that associates a field in one table with the same field in another table. It works by matching a field with the same name in both the tables. The matching fields are the primary key from one table that uniquely identifies each record in a table. The matching fields are the primary key from one table that uniquely identifies each record in a table. A foreign key is a column in one table that must match the primary key of another table. To create a relationship, create two tables. Table named Table 1 that holds general information about the students such as their roll number, student name, father's name, mother's name, date of birth, etc. Table named Table 2 that holds information about roll number, marks, percentage, etc. To define relationship between two tables, follow these steps. Step 1. Click on the Relationships option from the Tools menu. Step 2. The Add Tables dialog box will open. Click on the Add button. The selected table will appear in the Relation Design window. Repeat clicking Add button to add more tables in the Relation Design window. When all the required tables have been added, click on the Close button. Step 3. Press and hold the left mouse button on the primary key field of one table. Step 4. Drag the mouse pointer to the common field in the other table and release the mouse button. This will create a line or relationship between the related fields of the two tables. Relationship established between Table 1 table and Table 2 table based on the primary key named roll number. Creating a query. To create a query, follow these steps. Step 1. Click on the Queries command in Database pane. Step 2. Click on the Create Query in Design View option in Tasks pane. The Add a Table or Query dialog box will open. Step 3. Select the tables to be added and click on the Add button. Step 4. Add the field's name to the query window and specify the criteria. The parameters of the design grid in the bottom part of the query window are: Field. It is the first row of the design grid that displays the selected field names from the table. Alias. It allows us to give a secondary name to a table. Table. It displays the name of the existing tables in the relationship window. Sort. It displays the data in either descending or ascending order during the runtime. Visible. This means that the field with the check mark will be displayed in the result, and the fields with an unchecked mark will not be displayed when the query runs. Function. It allows to use built-in functions of LibreOffice base. Criteria. This displays the condition on the basis of which the records will be filtered and displayed in the query output. Or it is used to set multiple conditions in a query. After creating the query, we need to run the query by clicking on the Run button. The related records of the query will be displayed in the datasheet view.